this is Explain Dad, and this is a guide on how to hide your unwanted message, requests, and comments on Instagram. So let's get started. So first, open up your Instagram, click on the messenger icon, and then click on message request. In here, just search on the option above, the below link, and then click on the hide requests or the hidden requests. Just click on the blue font, and this will redirect you to their hidden notes. So there's a lot of options there. Choose what's applicable to you, but in this case, we're going to hide the comments and also the message requests, as we've indicated is much more present in Instagram than any other. So just go back after you've set it back to open or on, and that's about it. This is Explain That, and that's how to hide unwanted messages, requests, and comments on Instagram mobile. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.